Hello, Jacksons. You welcome back to the channel. It is your one and only favorite. I know you know. And I'm bringing you this particular gossip as the 8-day hot. The show is getting to an end day by day. Now remember, once more, voting ends in 2 days. On Friday, I think by 11:59 p.m., according to your country's time or according to whatever general timing. Yeah, the voting would end. So if ipeleng is your favorite, please vote. If Tsatsi is your favorite, please vote. If Khosi is your favorite, please vote. If Kanaga Jr. is your favorite, vote. If Yvonne is your favorite, vote. If ebubu is your favorite, please vote. Because like I said, it's going to be shocking. And to be honest, I'm scared. I'm scared for who might win and who might not win, because it's going to be rather shocking. I think I saw a video earlier today where Kanaga Jr.'s elder brother, I think he's in Canada or US, he literally went out into the snow wearing just his boxers while he was shouting and soliciting for votes for his brother Kanaga Jr. He's literally saying that the money is Kanagalized, but it can only happen if y'all are voting. And can I add to that, if you don't have much more votes in other countries, if your favorite vote is not the highest from other countries aside Nigeria and South Africa, your favorite is not winning the competition. So take note. But aside that, let's get into the sweet, juicy gossip that I'm bringing into your face. Now again, a lot of you are really very touchy and emotional. I catch crews on this space. I see what I see the way I see it. Aside what the contestant is saying or the ex-housemate is saying, I literally see what they're not saying. And that is where you see my titles come from. So chill and don't take it too serious. Life is not that deep, because most of these housemates don't even know who you are. I'm going to say a very big congratulations firstly to Maria on her new reality TV show titled Healing with Maria, which is giving some spirituality vibes. Now this show is going to be starting on the 1st of April, that is on Sunday, in 4 days time. And of course, it's going to be 9 a.m. on Sundays. And I'm like, hey, except it's really going to give a total spiritual vibes. A lot of people will be in church, but I will be done by then, so I can bring you the review on that. Second is Beauty, who literally spent around 2 weeks in the show. And, you know, her favorites, like her fans, didn't get to see enough of who she really is before she left the show. She's coming up with her own reality TV show, My Beautiful Life, which will start in April too, but it will be on Mondays and Wednesdays by 9:30 p.m. and it's going to be airing on Showcase, Africa Magic Showcase and Africa Magic Urban. For that of Maria, it's going to be on Africa Magic Urban. So y'all get ready, it's going to be lit. We've actually not seen a welcome party for Miracle OP, but that's not the, main part of this video. Even with a welcome party or not, he is still a very talented human, and he's still very rich because, his family owns a pharmaceutical company. So, duh. Anyways, a very exclusive interview was, conducted with Miracle being interviewed about a whole lot of things. But the subtle part of that interview is the fact that he was asked questions about Yemi and Khosi, but the subtle part was the fact that he revealed that he didn't have a strategy coming into the show. He actually came there to showcase his presenting skills, his acting skills, his entertaining skills, because he knows that a major aim for him is that when he's done with the show, he's going to thread that line. And aside that, he's also going to thread into sports and the likes. And then secondly, he was now asked, what was the shocking things he experienced when he left the show. He said, first off was the sad results of the election and AKA's death, and then the issue with, I think, Chelsea. I'm not a football fan, so I really don't know what that is. And he went on to also reveal that one of the best moments or the best lesson he has taken out of the show was the fact that he got to learn culture that was different, and he really appreciated the pairing, which really helped them to get to know and talk to people who were also South Africans, because of course a Nigerian was paired with a South African, vice versa, based on gender and stuff. He just said now into the competition, he had issues that he wasn't necessarily supposed to have because of his partner, like the fight with Nana and Khosi. He had to put himself in there because he knew that if Khosi didn't play white and he get a strike or get evicted, it will affect him too. It's not just going to be only her. And then he also was asked if he had a conversation or met with Yemi since his eviction and, him being out. He said yes, but I knew that was a lie, because if they did, just like every other housemates, they would have posted videos about it, but they haven't. And this also was revealed in the fact that exclusive interview, Yemi had it before him, and Yemi kept saying that he does not like Miracle OP. He does not know why Miracle OP kept coming for him. Like, Miracle OP was literally out for his life. Miracle OP was just out for him, after him, and he didn't like it. Now, we knew that was going to affect their relationship, but I know it's going to be even better with these two than Yemi and Thabang. Either ways, the conversation moved on to the fact that, okay, how is he planning to, he just said that he was going to see that him and Yemi have to meet and have a talk, especially through the podcast that he, JCJ, Kanaga Junior Black Boy, and a few other housemates are planning to have. So they will air their, grievances and talk their talk. After all, it's titled Talk Your Talk Podcast. And I'm like, okay, it is really, really giving, because, Anyways, he went on further to say that the biggest player in the house is Khosi. Like, he does not know, like, he cannot possibly say, and nobody can possibly say, okay, this is Khosi's actual play game, this is her game, this is her strategy. Only her can answer the question. But whatever it is that her strategy is, which he knows is part of it, everything she has done, she is the biggest player, and it has gotten her to the finals, and he would not be surprised that she would win the competition. He actually started calling her the winner, and he was laughing about it. He went on to say that yes, he feels like she used him. Literally, according to him, she used everyone. But it's still the game. People use people. That's why he added now that he at some point might have used her. But whatever it is, he doesn't want to use the word using, because it now seems like a very crazy bad thing. But of course, in a game and in life, people get something from people. And you can say that it is used, but it is just people getting what they're supposed to get from people via being smart or whatever. I'm like, okay, you have just leaked that she is the biggest player. She used you, she used Yemi, Thabang, and everybody. Whatever it is, we're all here for it. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you on this particular video. I'm going to bring you more details on today and all that's happening. I was supposed to bring you the games, but I lost track of it, so that ain't my fault. I'm going to still bring you more, and I think I'm going to make exclusive videos on each of those housemates. Y'all just stick around, because I love you, and I know you do too. Don't forget to subscribe.